Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm taking you on a viewing to a property that I believe holds immense potential for the purchaser with the right vision. The right vision. Sometimes it takes looking outside of the box. Sometimes you have to visualize the future. Forget about what's in front of you now and visualize what you can make it. So today we are in Kingston, the capital of Jamaica. I was just on Washington Boulevard and I took that left turn at the stoplight. So right off Mandela Highway, you want to take the first left at that major stoplight and enter Duane Park. This is the Duane Park community. We're just passing by the Duane Park police station and Duane Park primary school on the right. As usual, I like to show a little drive-through of the community just to give you a feel of the area, what it looks like, and to give you a view into how the place should look if you're trying to get there. But anyways, let's get back to this property. So while I'm on the way, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit. This property is an affordable way to step into the Kingston real estate market without sacrificing a very high budget. So we all know that Kingston real estate market is like super high. As with any other capital city in the world, that's where the highest prices are going to be. However, today I'm going to show you an opportunity to get into the real estate market in Kingston for way less, for just a fraction of the price. This property is tailored for a small family or a single individual or an investor looking to maximize their returns, especially if you're a young investor, you don't have such a high budget, but you want to get into real estate investing where you can make money. This is the home for you. So let's talk about the location. Duane Park is a fantastic, well-established, low mid-income neighborhood, and here is the real secret. It directly borders and seamlessly flows into the highly coveted higher income zones of Kingston 8, including Meadowbrook and Havendale. But by investing here, you are getting the geographical benefits and prestige of a premium Kingston location, but at a fraction of the price tag. And it's the perfect pocket of value positioned for excellent long-term appreciation. So now let's get into the property. We are here now. As you can see, the property is a diamond in the rough, the classic fixer-upper, but with solid bones. These houses have really strong structure, and it's just waiting for your personal touch. Now I'm in the living room area, and as you can see to the right, there is a bathroom and a small kitchen to the left. And from there, I'm going to step upstairs and show you what it looks like. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It's a starter home. It is a fixer-upper, so you will have to put your personal touch. You can modernize it or you can just do the minimum. It's up to you. The asking price is 14.5 million Jamaican dollars. Now from that small bedroom, I'm stepping into the larger bedroom. The total floor space is 1,343 square feet and the lot size is 0.03 acres. And now let's look at the backyard. It has ample space for your own private oasis, a private garden. But I haven't been telling you guys something. What makes this property so incredible is not just the location or the price of $14.5 million, but it's the fact that you also get this land space right here. Yes, this property comes with all of this land space right here. And you already have 2 walls from the existing buildings. Can you see the vision? So you've got this incredible blank canvas that you can use to maximize your returns or your comfort. And here are some ideas. You can build a second independent apartment right next door. You can live in one, rent out the other one to completely offset your mortgage. Or if you're a cash buyer, you can start gaining returns on your investment right away. Option 2 is to break through the walls and immediately expand the current footprint into a massive 3 or 4 bedroom dream family home with your own private yard or garden. And just look at the location factor, guys. You are 7 minutes away from PriceSmart, so you can do all your bulk shopping. When it comes on to the UWI hospital, you're just 22 minutes away. And from the airport, you are 33 minutes away. So if you've got a flight to catch, you don't have to worry. Look at the vision. Look at what you can do. Look at what you can create, the value you can create. Sometimes when it comes down to real estate and purchasing property, it's not about the value that you're getting upfront, but it's what you can make it. If you've got the right vision and you're ready to make this your own, reach out to me at my website at sashaneestates.com. Fill out the consultation form and I'll get back to you. Or you can send me an email at info@sashaneestates.com. The link to my website and contact sheet will be in the description bar, so look out for that. I'll also put it in the comments. So reach out to me. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I'm looking forward to working with you. And I'm looking forward to helping you secure your place in the Jamaican real estate market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.